This side here is stove, and also you can buy it separately. This is a heater goes onto the stove. That is cool. Whenever you winter camping, you need some kind of heater for sure, especially if you're camping in a tent. This side here is $100. That's a cool stove. Check this out, huge. Wow, but it probably will boil water really fast too. So the propane will come out from here and it will put through this way. Battery required for the starter, I guess. Okay, looks like we need the second attachment for it. Okay, this is the heater part. See what's about. It has a handle, that's cool. Okay, that comes into the propane right here. Pretty much every grocery store have a propane like that. It's called camping propane, and you can recharge them as well. Okay, look how well it's going to burn. You can see even in a bright setting because they put some kind of fibers on there, so that way you can see that is heat on, and it's giving off really nice heat. It's about 49 degrees outside. Feels good, easy to grab and move it. I love that. By the way, the battery is gonna go in here. Well, that's the attachment to here. Let's flip it over. How does this work? Just push it down, turn the pilot on, and keep on going, and that's it. It's gonna turn on. Super simple. And the same thing for the accessory. Let's turn it off, and we're gonna use it for the accessory. Open this one, put the accessory in, and make sure it locks all the way. Nice. There you go. And now it slides up, and now you can go higher. And as you can see, it has the metal fibers, so that way you can see if it's turned on or not. And there's a pilot going on this one. I think it's supposed to be on. The pilot's supposed to be on, so that will work. Because if we shut off the pilot, you see this will shut off too. So you gotta turn on the pilot. Pilot is on, you see there's blue flame. Adjust it, you see ACC on. Then we can turn this on, and then this will turn on. It's quite hot, so you can put a pot on it, whatever. I do love this holder right here. You see, it goes all the way around, so we don't have to worry about it once. Now the cool part is you can put it on top of it, just like this. There's a latchet. What we do is grab it and lock it in. Make sure it's lined up good, and then you have this one huge piece. That is cool, isn't it? So you got the stove and a heater connected together with one canister like that. Or you can buy attachment to the big gas can thing. This is beautiful. How about mini propane tank? So that way you don't have to burn that giant grilling tank that we used to, that you can buy at the grocery store. Guess what? This one comes with one of these holders. How cute is that? You can just keep it in this holder. Look at that. There's a protected button, protected top, and obviously you can refill them. Just go to a gas place, they will refill your tanks. How cute is that? A little gas tank. Looks like one of those big ones, just miniature. New solar stove masses, so like a miniature campfire, portable campfire. They do have actual camping stoves. This one is actual campfire, but miniature one. So what does it come with? Interesting. What else? Comes with the little legs. Check this out. I guess it makes sense because it's kind of made for something raised like a table. Boom. You see how they advertise in concrete table or something that is a heat resistant. Like this one, you see there's a heat resistant pod, and probably concrete table is the best. Sits super well on these logs. You got it here ash holder, and there's a line for the oxygen to go to. Small holes, little holes over here, and big holes over here. I guess you put this in here. Yeah, it explains you how to set it up. And I love how it shows you right here the oxygen will go to these little holes and go under and also to the wall into here, so the oxygen will burn from the top and from the bottom. So highly ventilated. This is why the solar stoves are so good. And this side here, you set it up so it burns like a little fireplace. So there you go, miniature tabletop fire pit. How cool is that? Definitely one of a kind. Got it here, 600 lumen hybrid solar flashlight and charger. So you can either use it by sun to recharge it or plug it in. So just simple, like a home flashlight that you keep in the house just in case. And in cases there is no power, you can lay it out on the sun and charge it up for the nighttime. Oh, you know what's cool? You can charge the cell phone with that. Just take off the cap, so it's a power bank at the same time. Look how slick out of package that is. So 1 and 2. Pretty bright, 600 lumen, one of those LED lights. And if you wanna charge your cell phone, in case you need to make a phone call in emergency, you can either charge it or you can use it as a power bank or use a solar panel to charge up your phone. Very cool. That's definitely much better solar panel flashlight than I've seen before. And of course, don't forget 100 hours emergency liquid wax candle. So as you can see, you just open it up. Nice to have in your house because you don't need batteries or nothing. And it comes with a little like wind protector. Okay, let's take this off. There's a little plug over here. And let's light it up. There you go, it's burning, and then cover it up so the wind doesn't turn it off. You don't see lots of flame, but in the complete darkness it actually will give off quite a bit of light. Super interesting. Not the worst, as you can see it's pretty bright. And for the last one, wanted to show you guys winter blade factor magnetic knife. This is so cool. Do you hear that? So fidgety. It's pushing the knife out. This one is factor. So beautiful. I think this side is carbon fiber. Look at that. Winter blade, MT90 steel. So all the best quality materials. Hold it this way. This is futuristic knife. I think there's magnets. You see? And it holds the knife. You can go this way. You can go this way. You can go this way. They don't hit it hard enough. This is so fidgety. Love it. So winter blade factor knife. This thing sells out so fast. I bought 2 pre-order because they sold out in 10 minutes, all of them.